Hi again, YouTube. It's Gary again, and I have a short video about my weird cage buggy on my JQ E-Buggy. This is actually a Losi SCBE body kit. It's the same as the Tenacity if you want to order that. And I just did a little bit of work to get it on there, and I think it looks super cool compared to a standard 8-scale buggy. But, whatever your opinion might be, I like it a lot. And let me start with the front end. To put those body mounts on, all I did was take some standard body mount posts and run a long screw from the front through into the post, and then just cut them to length to fit the molded in holes there. So you know, it depends on how you want to do it. I did it that way, so it used those holes that were molded in. And you see my ugly wiring and stuff. You have to delete the right side pod, and I actually modified this pod, this side, to cut off the rest of the wing but keep the battery box. In the back, all I did was run screws with some washers through some regular shock tower holes into the back of the cage there, and that keeps the function of the opening. And other than that, that's pretty much how that works. I think is very cool. I got a sticker kit, like I said, from the internet for the Ironman Ivan Stewart things, and some cheap vinyl graphics that are kind of worn off a lot. And the stickers, this body is about 2 years old, so it's got that wear on it, and just maybe for completeness, that's how it appears on the bottom. Kind of hugs the chassis pretty well. It does get a little dusty in there in a race, but anyway, I think it's worth it. It looks super cool, and let me know if you like it or not.